In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the taillight assembly on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. We're going to take these two screws out, use a T25 socket. Take those two bolts out, grab the lens, and you want to just pull it towards the back of the vehicle. And just grab the socket on the bottom, twist, slide that out, and you have the socket on the top. You can twist that. That slides out as well. To disconnect the connector, you can just use a straight blade screwdriver. Slide this lock tab back, push down. You can disconnect the connector. The bottom connector, just push down on the tab, slide that out. To replace these bulbs, just grab the bulb, it slides right out. This is a 921 bulb. Just slide it into the socket, just like that. You can put it into the light assembly and just twist. This other bulb, just grab the bulb out of the socket, pull that out. This is a 3157. Slide that into the socket. We'll line that up in the assembly and lock it in place. Now we're going to plug the connectors in. Lock that one down. The bottom one. Lock that down. That's good. Line this up. Push it in. Take the bolts. Get those started. Snug those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.